Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon. Sabi niya, tanong lang, sino ang dapat managot? So, isinare ni Attorney Guanzon ang article ng Politico.com tungkol sa pagkamatay ng Rostan's executive officer, yung tagapagmana, si Paulo Tantoco. So ito ang balita. Politico.com.ph. Rostan Sayon or Air, yung tagapagmana, Paulo Tantoco died from coke overdose. Coke lang ha, huwag na natin LA coroner confirms. Ito na. So, totoo pala yung bali-balita noon. Parang chismis lang, but this one is LA coroner na nagbigay ng findings niya, coke overdose. Grabe. Okay. Rostan's Commercial Corporation Executive Paulo Tantoco died last March. I think March 8 ba yun? Of coke overdose according to findings released by the Los Angeles County Coroner's Office. A report published on July 9 by Hollywood LA News cited information from the deputy medical examiner stating that Tantoco's death was due to accidental coke overdose based on toxicology result. Bakit accidental? Hindi ko maintindihan. Tantoco, 44, was found unresponsive at the Beverly Hilton Hotel in Beverly Hills on March 8 after the Manila International Film Festival Tribute Gala was held at the same venue. According to the report, Tantoco was in Los Angeles as part of First Lady Lisa Araneta Marcos' entourage promoting the Manila International Film Festival from March 4 to March 7. His remains were repatriated to the Philippines and laid rest shortly after. Tantoco served as Assistant Vice President at the family-owned Rostan Group previously held. So marami siyang He is survived by his wife, Malacanang Deputy Social Secretary Dina Arroyo Tantoco, and their 3 children. So ito, malungkot na pangyari. Marami akong nabasang articles, narinig ko si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio na mabait daw na tao itong si Paulo Tantoco. Yung kanyang image, talagang matino, mabait, as in everything. So bakit siya namatay ng coke overdose? Okay, so punta tayo sa tanong ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon. Sino ang dapat managot? Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Nako, nawala. Sino ang dapat managot? Nawawala ang mga comments. Ito na, nakita ko na. Yung post ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon, sino ang dapat managot? Comments. Lani Ochi, legit ang chismis, mga marites. Kumusta naman si FL? Tanong mo lang. Kian Montes, Mr. Tantoco is seen with 3 individuals in which one is blank mo lang. Hindi niya to be confirmed by Auntie Claire. Abangan bukas. Tita D, sabi niya, siguradong big show ang tanim boto sa Taal Lake para mabaling. Ito na. Distraction nga. Big show ang tanim boto. Okay na. Connecting the dots. Now I understand. Tanim boto sa Taal Lake para mabaling ang atensyon sa lahat dyan at hindi sa Coca-Cola. Okay na. Marge Kiesa, the result is finally out. Paulo Tantoco died from the effects of coke. And take note, he was with the blank. Huwag ko na lang basahin. Sino yung kasama niya? Blank interrogates when it happened. This isn't just a scandal. It's a confirmation of what many Filipinos worldwide have long suspected about the people in power today. For years, people have been boldly calling for a simple hair follicle test, but wala lang. Kaya tinanggal nila si Eden Santos sa Palace Beat reporter, Palace Beat, dahil siya lang ang makulit tungkol sa hair follicle test. Ophelia Dislate, the same feather flock together. Yun. Danjo Galela, birds of the same feather, deep together. Jos Arisgado, naghanda sila ng panibagong issue. Yun, ito na naman. Umingay ang sabungero dahil alam nila lalabas ng issue ni Paulo at gustong mabaling ang atensyon ng tao sa sabungero issue at hindi sa coke issue. Connecting the dots, alam ko na. So, salamat sa mga siwalat. Ang mga nagsiwalat tungkol nito, sina Dean Chase, Maharlika, I don't know sino pa yung iba. Masakit na nangyari yung ulitin ko, personal ano ko lang ito, nabasa ko lang, narinig. Mabait na tao itong si Mr. Paulo Tantoco, kasi si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio nagsabi siya na matalik daw niyang kaibigan. Kaya nanawagan si Attorney Topacio nung bagong pangyari ito na sana irespeto natin yung pamilya, lalo na si Paulo. Kilala ko ang pagkatao niyan. So, bakit na doon na accidental? Pagka-overdose. Yung mga naririnig, nababasa ko lang parang hindi ko na lang i-detalye. Malaking issue ito. Kaya sana huwag matabunan ng ingay sa sabungero.